Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Geeta. I am studying in 7th standard.
I'm Akshara from Summit. Now we are doing experiment on acid and bases. So now I have three solutions. One is turmeric solution, one is lemon solution, and one is soap solution. So now the lemon solution is colorless. Now I'm going to add the turmeric solution to the lemon solution. So now when I add the turmeric solution to the lemon solution, there is no color change in this. So this indicates this is the acid. So now I am going to add turmeric solution to soap solution.
Red color.
So now this soap solution becomes red color. This indicates that this is a base. So now this is acid.
So now this is base.
Thank you.
Thank you.